What if I told you that scouting is 2 hours a week? Would you believe me? Well, that's the myth that's been going around for years and years in scouting, and no one actually knows where that myth has come from. It's only 2 hours a week. You've heard it. Everyone's heard it. But it's not an official tagline. Gilwell Park have never launched it. They've never said it. And no one knows where it came from, when it started. But we all know that urban myth. That as a scout leader, it's only 2 hours a week. Well, yes and no. It can be 2 hours a week. And it could be 2 hours a day. But that depends on what role you're doing. If you're volunteering just to help out in the scout troop, maybe you're there, beavers, you're making the juice or whatever, and cubs, you're getting ready for the games, or scouts, maybe you're running a badge as a parent. Yes, it could be 2 hours a week. If you're a leader, honestly, hand on heart, we generally know it's not 2 hours a week, do we? We know it's a couple of hours a week. If you're going to get a decent program, do know those leaders that just rock up and, put my hands up and confess I was one of those leaders. Just things happen at work and other leaders can't commit, and we've just got to change the program, or we haven't program planned. But now risk assessment, that comes in. We do got to do programming, and OSM and things like that have helped us with that whole planning and getting the youth involved with U-Shape. So it does take a lot of hours. But there are roles in scouting that can take 2 hours a week. Behind the scenes, group chair, exec, there aren't a weekly commitment, that could be a monthly commitment, quartermaster. Where has that urban myth come from? No one knows. I've asked Gilwell Park, they don't know. It's just one of those urban myths of scouting. So my question to you, what urban myths do you know about scouting? Comment below. I want to investigate these urban myths, just like it's only 2 hours a week. It's all lies.